The helicopters will be repaired at the aircraft manufacturing enterprise in Kumertau in the Urals. Russian Helicopters Group is planning to sign a contract with India before the year end to overhaul 3 Mi-26, NATO reporting name. Halo Heavy Military Transport Rotorcraft. Group Deputy CEO for After-Sale Maintenance Igor Chechikov said, India is a key strategic partner for Russian Helicopters Group and a major operator of Russian-made rotorcraft, Chechikov said. Russian Helicopters Group is planning to sign a contract with India before the end of 2016 to overhaul 3 Mi-26 rotorcraft, he added. According to the group's press office, India's defense ministry and Russia's arms exporter Rosoboronexport signed a contract in late July for the repair and upgrade of 10 Indian Navy Kamov Ka-28 Helix anti-submarine warfare helicopters.